In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Humanforce app not working. So if Humanforce app is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be poor internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your application should start working. But if your application still does not work, there might be some bugs in the application. In that case, what you have to do is update the app so that the bugs will be fixed. So what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device, tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Humanforce. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Humanforce and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Now your application should start working. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the app. For that, launch open app library of your device, find the application for Humanforce and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info. Now you'll be led to the app info interface of Humanforce app. Tap on this option storage and cache that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache and the cache of the application will be cleared. Now your application should start working. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the app and install it again. After that, your app will surely work. But sometimes the problem might be in the device itself. In that case, what you have to do is restart your device. Long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, your device will be restarted and all the temporary software glitches will be fixed. After you do that, your application should start working. So these are basically the ways to fix your app not working. So that is how you fix Humanforce app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.